Hello friends, how are you? Ishan the other side from techcheater.com. So this video I'll be telling you how to update your iPad. So this is very simple. You just have to go to the settings. When you are into your settings, you have to go to general, and under general section you'll find the software update option. So now your iPad will be checking for your updates. If any new software is available, yes, iOS 13.6 is available. So you have to just tap on the download and install. Personally, I am not keen to update the iOS softwares, so I'll not update it right now in this video. But if you want to update, you can just tap on download and install, and it will be downloaded in your device, and then it will be installed automatically. So this is very simple. And in case, like, if you want to get the automatic updates, you can tap it here and you can select for the automatic updates. Personally, I will not suggest you to update your iOS ever. Apple devices are, like, personally I feel like they perform best in the OS which they get it from the factory. Still, if you want to update, many users update. In fact, more than 90% of the users update their iOS. If you want to update, you can update. Enjoy. If you are having any questions, you can just drop down your comments below. I'll answer them quickly. Thank you.